we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
The most toxic of these are chocolate, apple seeds, onions, mushrooms, avocado, dried beans, tomato leaves, high levels of salt and alcohol. These can be potentially fatal, even in smaller nibbles. The other foods listed can still make your little buddy sick, and in higher amounts could kill, so avoid them as well.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.